Okay. Oh, look at these little puzzles. 100-piece puzzles. That's cool. Get a bear. It's cool. Cat. Oh my god, it's like a puppy bowl. Oh, that'd be cool. Puppy bowl puzzles. Hey, here you go, man.
Yeah, it's not a mouse. I have a live ones this big and big.
Oh yeah. The tennis courts, they're really big, those bullfrogs. A lot of shoes there too. These are probably parts. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. Goblets. This craft. It's pretty cool. Let's check out this other garage sale next door. Raw. Morning. Oh, such a knack. That's not too bad. Hello.
Hello. Oops, nice piece of tape for the last item.
Are you selling any bicycles?
Nope.
Okay. That's nice. 60 for a pressure washer. That's a nice one. This is a nice little. Okay, 25. What's that? $0.50 each for CDs. Kind of mix of everything. Eagles, good. Old country. Okay, interesting. Some programming. There's a power adapter. Interesting. This is interesting. I can't see the watts though. I like all the little red. They're there. Well, let me think about it. Alright. Who's in it? Alright. Oh. A lot of candles. Okay.
I would say $100.
The sewing machine. A little tiny. That's a tent. A little tent. Oh, here's a blower. This would be cool. $75.
What'd you say?
Clothes. And that's it. So we have this cool little Jeep jumper. That's awesome. Chair, another jumper, some pillows, this little Sony TV, a little tent, stroller, some of those. This is interesting. Some wires. It's a cool little charging wire. What's this? This is cool. What's this? Well, this is pretty awesome. Look at this, man. It's like a some kind of, I don't know what it is. Yeah, sports.
This here.
It's sports, but
Look, nice looking.
it's weird. Alright. This is interesting. Some glasses. Check it out.
These?
These ones, 5. The Sperry's.
These?
The boots are 12.
I
Okay.
can't see anything.
Okay.
Oh, LED. This is cool. Oops.
Yeah, those are the most expensive shoes they just carried over.
Oh well. Right here. This is interesting. Interesting. I tripped over some expensive shoes. Okay. Oh, what's this? Hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's where my
Hmm. This is interesting. Interesting. What's this? What is it? Is this one of those baby bouncers? It's probably a baby bouncer. It's like a baby knapsack. I was thinking about it. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. This is weird.
Is that somebody's box?
Yes, it is. With big
Beats. This is interesting.
Everything's out.
Private. Interesting. Interesting. Jigsaws. Oh, look at these little booties. This is cool. Look at them. They're so cute. So tiny. Adidas. How much are they? Clothes. Phone. More little booties. Got some games. Toys and big. A wobble pencil. Alright. And that's it. Okay, so we got some gauges. A little pump of some sort. Interesting. Propane pieces. Fan. Interesting. There's some more gauges. I don't know what these gauges are. There's another fan, right? Oh, it's a bike tire pump. Oh. Some straps. Interesting. This is interesting. Interesting. What's it doing there? Interesting. Oh, here's a selfie. Interesting. Garage door openers. Interesting. Old bike pumps. Interesting. What's this? Magnetic key holder. There's a pump. Cord. What's that one? Got some recyclables and more plasticware. Got some kitchenware and Looks like somebody's a Buffalo Bills fan. Right.
That's what I need. Buffalo Bills stuff.
Ah, Buffalo
You
Bills.
found it?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
That's what it looked like. The old Buffalo Bills. Shoes? She went inside. The world map. This is pretty awesome. You get a monitor. Monitor. Nice big world map. The wind is blowing a little bit. Alright. Nice big monitor. Oh, here's one of these brookstone things. I had one of those. These are cool. These things last forever. Yeah, you push it, it changes. It's $2. That's pretty cool. So what's this? Oh, whole box of wires. That's why you have to dig. You have to dig to find the good stuff. You have to dig. Oh yeah, there you go, man. $5 for APC. Yeah, too bad. Let's see what else we got here. You just gotta dig.
It's pretty good price too. So.
Yeah. It's doing a lot of digging here. Well, here's one of these rechargeable radios. Here is a flip phone. Here is a speaker or something. Here's something cute. It's a little, I don't know what that is. Some little iPod or something. Let's put that right there. What's this? Oh, this is a cool camera. It's pretty cool, actually. Interesting. Interesting. What's this? Last one. Nice piece of the puzzle. Piece of the puzzle. Oh, it's a camera. Alright, I like that, but they hold off. Blankets, stuffed animals, what other gobbledygook. Notre Dame. Someone was from Pennsylvania. Right. Every drop. Power shot used to own one of these. That was cool. Very helpful, very handy. What's this? Super sliders. Gloves. Tape measure. No. What's this? It's a bag. It's a bag with a lot of compartments.
Neat, huh? Look at that. It says it's a backpack.
Wow.
There's another one.
That's weird. But they want $10 for it.
Yeah, but maybe she would do a deal.
Yeah. I can't put the for you, for a bug out bag, that'd be cool, but
That's actually a biker. It looks really good for a biker.
it's a biker bag?
Oh, okay.
I'm a biker.
Yeah. I see you on a bike.
This is interesting. There's a reserve bag. I may need to buy this. Terrible. What is this? This is a nice bag. This is a nice bag. Here, look at this one. This one could be a tennis bag because the way it...
Tennis bag. Not for me. There's hats. Leather hats.
But this
too.
is only $3. Wyndham. It's a nice bag though. I mean, look at it. It's got a lot of storage compartments. Vacation resorts. I wonder if it's gonna fit. biker bag. Let's see. I guess this is not too bad. I guess you could put a tennis racket in here. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I don't know. Let me think about this. Do I need this? It's just a nice leather bag. That's all it is. I have nice leather bags. Has a nice handle. You see? Nice handle. I don't know. I better not. I don't really need it. Let's see this. Do I really need this? 50 cents, I guess. 50 cents each. Wow. Oh, bowling balls in there. It's heavy. This is interesting.
Yeah, but you know what? I gotta stand by your team.
I'm with you. You could go with this one. Can't stand down.
Flashlight. Maybe in my afterlife. Okay, that's it. We got some furniture. Nice furniture. We got a mailbox, Captain America, shirt, cage. Computer stuff, shoes, clothing, clothing. Interesting. $15 for a nice camera. Yeah. It's a nice camera for $15.
Yeah. Was it analog?
Yeah, it's digital. How much are your PS4 games? How much are your PS4s? No, all these are. Would you go $4 for all these? $4? Okay. I'll take them. What? And there's that. That. Some cool stuff here. Some sporting goods. Got weightlifting equipment. I'm done. So we got a lawnmower. And we want $40 for it. Not too bad. There's a bait bucket. $5.
Yeah, the problem is I'm not doing this
Nice.
upfront, meaning
What's this?
you pay for it.
Oh, this is a little pancake.
But, not the other way around.
Compressor.
Okay, no problem. No, but I can, I just don't do that. I did it in the past, and people say, oh, it looked better in the picture, but then I'm done.
Christmas stuff. Christmas tree. Hello. Parts. Nice stainless. Nice set here.
No problem. No, maybe we get in contact again.
Oh, it's nice. $10. I have a blanket like this. It's nice. Nice pillows. Alright. Let's believe it. Looks like a little heater. Okay. That's it. Alright, here we have a toy built lawnmower. It's a nice one. It smells gas, so someone's been riding it. Looks like it comes with a water bottle. Nice. It's a nice lawnmower. Here's a little air compressor. Let me guess, $50. Here's a charcoal grill. Oh, this is awesome. It's always good. You throw your own wood in here, cook stuff up. It's actually a good grill. And it's built sturdy too because it has to be to withstand that heat. Nice. Here's a nice little work table. Metal. Hello. Yeah, fixing a pressure washer, huh? Okay. Oh, I just gave my friend a carburetor. Maybe. Alex, he needs a carburetor. You got this generator down there.
Are you interested in generators?
Yeah, how much?
This one's $400. It's a 6,000. It's brand new.
How much is your lawnmower?
Oh, 1,500.
1,500? Okay.
It's got 60 hours on it.
Oh, okay. Nice.
It's brand new. 20.
Oh, okay.
Throw in a bag.
Bag. Jumpsuit. Fishing. Drill press. Some other stuff. More fishing. Some more tools. Pegboard. Let's see what we got here. Hinges. Yeah, I have one. Probably not. Boy, how much is that air compressor? 150? Okay. This is nice. Nice Miami Heat bedspread. Okay. Paint. This is cool. This is like a camera or a projector. Right. The generator. 650 firm.
Some poles I'm going $20 each.
Okay. Interesting. All right, let me think about it. It's a good deal.
And that's what people envy.
I'm sorry about that. Microwave for $5. Good deal. What is that? Oh, this is one of those CD.
And it's Bluetooth. So you can hook your tablet or a
Bluetooth.
laptop to it,
Oh, okay.
play music and sing with it.
Wow.
And it actually puts some effects on your voice.
Oh, okay. Nice. This is like it's not really a flea market or a garage sale. It's more like a it's like a mini flea market with a lot of vendors here. These tables belong to certain people. Interesting. Well, that's how you do it, you know.
This is going for $10.
10? All right.
Features 37 smoking hot tables with all your favorite games. Texas Hold'em, Hot Limit Omaha, Omaha High-Low, and designated player games like Ultimate Texas Hold'em, High Card Flush, and more. Plus,
This is interesting. They have one of these.
It's only $2 on that.
Only $2? Okay.
It holds your phone and it goes in your phone.
Sure.
But it's so much more
Okay.
than poker. Be sure to check out this sports room with huge TVs carrying all major sports and personal TVs for custom viewing.
Oh, we can sneak through this way. I like that propane grill. Look at that. It's cool.
Located right inside the Bonita Springs.
All right.
It's also the perfect place to catch football action all weekend.
Let's see what we got over here. Oh, there's like a little freezer. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a French fry freezer. Some encyclopedias or something. Some camera cases, vacuums, pressure washer. Stereo. What's this? Life proof. Let's go. Must be some cases. What's this? Nails. Right. There's a cordless hedger. Nice. Some controllers, Xbox. Some pillows. Pillows and stuff. Let's try that.
You can go inside on.
Oh, thanks.
But you know, look, it's clean, it's in good shape.
Some books. Magazine. This is America Takes Over. Oh. World War. Oh, this is the Vietnam War. Oh, okay. Bats.
Sweet.
There's a dinosaur. Pretty awesome. There's a timing light. There's a drum pedal. This is pretty awesome. You see that? That would make a good ratchet pedal for a bicycle. See it?
Yes, sir.
That whole design apparatus with the spring and this chain. So you need a chain because the chain is stronger than a spring. That's why they use it like that.
Please take home all those ugly dolls.
Not ugly dolls, they're sleeping dolls. Massage table. Some more furniture. There's a lawnmower over there. Check that out. Oh, crypto. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Some tripods and pictures. So we're on the wrong side. Let's have to look over here. Oh. You got some pictures and some exercise. There's a lawnmower over there. I'll get there. I have to go inside this house too, but I won't be able to videotape inside. So we got over here. A lot of military stuff here. Look at the pictures. World War One. There's World War II. It's probably expensive here. This guy does it for a living. Alright. I've seen him before here selling, so this stuff ain't cheap. Alright. Got the German paratroop helmet. Unfortunately, the insignias come off.
We gotta get the thing to help me.
Yeah. And just a little one table to go here. That's it. So we're inside the house. Alright, recap. Today I spent $154.50. Let me go over the 50-cent item. This bag, I like wearing pouches. Helps. Sometimes when I go out to the flea market or if I have a garage sale, I like to have a separate bag, separate than my credit cards and the money or items I had before. When I go on a bicycle ride, sometimes I just like to carry just essential stuff like an extra water bottle or something in the bag. So 50 cents, I said, you know what, it's a good quality bag. There's a lot of pouches. They're all zippered. That's important. You don't want anything that's buttoned. And there's these extra zippers, and the clasp works. So I tested it already. It's made of nylon, so it's pretty good. And I like how it's all black. There is, I guess, a little advertising, but you barely see it. So anyway, 50 cents, that was cool. For $4, I bought all these movies. Not movies, PS4 games. They are, you know, it's all sports. Nobody really likes sports. I mean, this one. I don't, you know, people don't really buy these. So, but I said, you know, I could probably sell them for $2 each, maybe. And then, you know, this one, maybe $3 each. So, think of that, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, if I paid $4, I'll probably get 15 for it. So, I mean, new, look at this thing, $50. Wow. But obviously not going to get that now with PS5 out. So, I spent $4 there. So, we'll see what happens. And then for $150, I got this bike. This was impulsive. I don't know if I should have bought it or not, but the one thing that drew me to it was it has pneumatic brakes. This is a pneumatic brake. So it uses mineral oil compressed down this line to actuate the squeezing mechanism. It is nice. It is sweet. It's got 27 gears too. So here's the pneumatic brake on this side, pneumatic brake on this side. It's pretty awesome. It even says mineral oil. 3 gears here for the middle, and then 9 gears. And I tested the gears too. It shifts beautifully. 29-inch wheel and disc brakes. Only single shock in the front though. There's no extra suspension in the back. That's another drawdown. And of course, it would be nice to have fenders on so I could ride on the beach, but that's minor at this point. But $150. A friend of mine was with me today, and he looked it up. He said it's worth, well, high retail, worth about $800. But I'm thinking that this thing could probably go for about between $400 and $500, you know, at a wholesale. So anyway, so this is going to be another addition to my bike collection. So when I go bicycling, I'll have this. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to the beach immediately. This will be my around town bike. I have like a 24-mile circuit that I take, like on the afternoons and weekends. So this thing, it's so lightweight. Well, not extremely lightweight, but it's about half as much as I call my $35 bike that I take to the beach all the time. So anyway, I'm going to slap some lights on this, and this thing will be ready to go. And hopefully we'll have better luck tomorrow.